Okay, so look, check it out. We're back. Um, all these fish eyes, remember you seen them. They're practically all gone. I think we have 1, 2, 3, 4 to go. Okay, they are going to go away. Don't sweat that. Just like there was 15, 20 of them here a minute ago. So we're at perfect time. The dust has settled, if you will. All that is left, and what I want to point out to you is very, very few bubbles, and they are the surface bubbles. That's why we have the torch now. We're done. We're at the end of our piece. We're not doing any more to this project today. This is phase 1. Tomorrow we'll go in with graphics and everything else. We wanted that sheer, flat white, just thick, rich, and full look, and that's what we've achieved. So now the isopropyl did its job. It went down there and grabbed them all, popped a bunch of them, and this is what's left, just right here on the surface. Those last little couple of fish eyes will dissipate, go away. And keep in mind, we have another flood coat that we are going to be putting on tomorrow to go over the graphics that we're going to get into tomorrow. So all we want to do to finish this out, we're going to dress our BBs, but first we're going to torch this about 6 to 8 inches away just to get any of these last little surface bubbles. Just back and forth. See how they pop? Back and forth. All you want to do. They will pop right in front of your eyes. Now, definitely with a white piece, what you don't want to do, you don't want to do too much, too long, too many places with a white piece. You could burn it. Okay, so 6 to 8 inches. We just swept over everything really nice. Now we're going to get just a little bit of this front edge here to make sure we got it all. And that's practically it. We're just going to let it sit, do its thing at that point. That's pretty much it. Okay, so now I'm going to put this over here, and I want to show you like I show you with everything. When it comes to these drips, we like these oversized popsicle sticks. Okay, they're really good. You know, the ones you go in the doctor. So we like those. Yeah, you know what I'm talking about, Jay. We like those. They're going to grab everything nice and neat for us. So if you want to duck down here, I'll show you. Check it. What we're going to do is we're going to start here, right here at this drip. We're going to place this guy at a little bit of an angle, straighten him up, and then look. We're just going to drag this across, just like that. And what you're looking to do is you're looking to make a sharp line. So you can always go back the other direction if you need to sharpen something up. But that's what you're trying to achieve there. Ready? Here we go. Slight little angle. And then just pull. Just like that. Okay, if you notice something that you missed, you can always come back the same way, opposite direction. That's all you're looking to do right there. And that's going to stay razor sharp for you. Okay? We're a little ahead of schedule. A little bit ahead of schedule on that. So we're going to do that same method again here in the next 10 or 15 minutes. But all in all, we are good. Our base coat's down. This looks phenomenal. And tomorrow we're going to show you some really cool, we're going to go over this with a gray veining, make it super simple. And just to throw this out here, like right now, if you wanted to, this is where, obviously not now, we've already torched it, isopropyl, everything. But when we first poured this out and got it to take shape everywhere, that would have been the time to do any colors, any type of other pigments, veining, anything like that that you want to do pigment-wise. You could have so done that then. We're just choosing to do this coat We want a flat white. We got it so that we can play with this tomorrow once it's dry, put some really cool graphics in it, and then we're going to flood coat a clear right over the top of this guy. It's going to be awesome. So don't miss out. We're going to get all these videos for you out here online this evening. So be looking out for them. Tune in tomorrow for sure. As always, come back for the graphics and the flood coat. And until the next one, we'll see y'all back real soon. All right, so look, check it out. You can see the metal ductwork. Look, that's my metal ductwork up there. So you can see that right in the top, that mirror image. Look at those lights, how crystal clear that is. Okay, this is what I wanted to show you. This is the aftermath. Look at this edge. I want to get down on that edge. Look at that guy. Now look how pretty that edge is all the way. Okay, and then look down here. Let me show you the difference. Okay, I can't help. I've got a couple of these right here, right in the way, that's putting off a glare right on that edge. That's that you're seeing right there. It's really not there. About right here down, that is nothing but solid. So sorry about the things in the backdrop, but here's what I want to show you. This edge right here is just remarkable. Look at it from that point of view. It just rolls right over. No blemishes. No nothing, just cascades right over like it's supposed to. But look, this is what I wanted to show you. See the runs? Look at all those runs down through there. Okay. Now look at the face. Look at the face. Look at that edge. No matter how far I go, see how slicked up that is and pretty. Rolls right over. Then when you get to that corner, look at all that distortion. See, it's all running over. Just a huge difference, a big difference. So we just wanted to point that out to you. But Teresa's going to love this finish. She's going to love the turnout. Already, this application is right on point. It's going to be super slick, full, thick, full of white come tomorrow. It's just going to be a beautiful piece to add all this veining to and move on with phase 2. So as usual, we'll see you back with the next one.